Welcome to my explainer video on palm oil. You might not realize it, but palm oil is everywhere. It's in about 50% of the packaged products you find in supermarkets, from snacks and processed foods to cosmetics and cleaning products. But while palm oil is incredibly versatile and widely used, it comes with significant health and environmental concerns. Let's talk health first. Palm oil is high in saturated fat, which can increase unhealthy cholesterol and triglycerides, raising the risk of heart disease. Although it doesn't contain trans fats, its high saturated fat content poses similar health risks. And heating palm oil to very high temperatures can create potentially cancer-causing contaminants, though more research is needed to confirm this. On the flip side, red palm oil, which is less processed, retains more vitamins and antioxidants, including beta-carotene, which is good for eye health and immunity. However, palm kernel oil, another form of palm oil, is even more saturated and is often used in non-food products like soaps and cosmetics. Now let's dive into the environmental concerns. The production of palm oil is a leading cause of deforestation, particularly in Southeast Asia. This deforestation threatens biodiversity, contributes to climate change, and destroys the natural habitat of endangered species like orangutans. Unsustainable farming practices and unfair labor practices are also significant issues in the palm oil industry. Palm oil often hides under various names on ingredient labels, such as vegetable oil, palmate, palmolin, glycerol stearate, sodium lauryl sulfate, and hydrated palm glycerides. This makes it challenging for consumers to identify and avoid it. It's also used as a cheap substitute for cocoa butter in chocolate, affecting the texture and requiring less tempering. Despite these concerns, there are ways to make more sustainable choices. Look for products certified by the Roundtable on Sustainable Palm Oil, RSPO, which promotes sustainable palm oil production practices. Educate yourself on how to identify palm oil on ingredient labels and choose products made with sustainable palm oil or alternatives. Palm oil is a controversial ingredient with both benefits and significant drawbacks. By being informed and making conscious choices, you can help reduce the negative impacts of palm oil on your health and the environment. Remember to look for RSPO certified products and support organizations working to protect rainforests. Together, we can make a difference. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.